How to edit theme in WordPress. Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to edit theme in WordPress. For this, first of all, you need to bring your cursor here to the sidebar and then you need to click on appearance and then themes. Once you click on themes, this interface will appear on your screens. These are the themes that are already installed, that I have previously installed, but I don't want any of these, so I'll click on add new. Then I'll click on latest. Okay, so here are some of the latest themes. Let's say I want to use this theme. I'll click on install. Then I'll click on activate. Okay, so my theme is installed and activated. I'll click on customize. So from here now I can edit my theme. I want to edit this element, my logo. From here I can change the width of my logo. I can increase it or decrease it. Let's say I want to keep it 193. Let's wait, and you can see the width of my logo has increased. I can set my title from here. Once I'm done, I'll go back, and from here I can change the mode. My white mode is on. I can also convert it to dark mode. This is the dark mode. I like the white mode, so I'll keep it white mode. Then I'll go back, and from here I can add header top. Here are some animations which I can add, animation articles, and from here I can select color scheme. Click on select colors and you can select colors from here. This is how you can edit theme in WordPress. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you find it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.